Hello, you could see that I'm preparing for a tornado now. There may not be a tornado, but just in case, I'm going to show you why I'm preparing for it. My Wii games, Chuck E. Jesus Party games, Super Mario Galaxy, Harry Potter Years 1 through 4, Leaving Red Travel in Time, Super Paper Mario, Ferrari Challenge, it's a race car game, Lego Harry Potter Years 5 through 7, Sonic Colors, and everyone knows Wii Sports, Wii Sports, Wii Sports, Skylanders Spyro's Adventure, New Super Mario Bros. Wii, Mario Party 8, My Friend's Agent, Rabbit Go Home, Ryan Selmack at the Olympic Winter Games, My Sims, and Super Mario Galaxy. And my Wii, well, I have a lot of data on it, so I don't want to erase it. Plus, I also have downloaded games, Super Paper Mario, Tetris Battle, Yoshi's Story, Super Mario Brothers, Super Mario Bros. 3, Super Mario 64, which I accidentally erased, Super Mario Kart, Mario Party 2, and I think that's it. Oh, and Super Mario 64. And I have my Harry Potter books, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire, Harry Potter and the Prison of Azkaban, and I have my DS games, which I'm too tired to count, but all of them together are like $1,000, and I think I'm gonna go. I'm getting tired. I tried 3 times to record stuff. One took 7 to 8 minutes. Another one took like almost 5 minutes. And those 2 were failed, and I don't want this one to be a fail too. So goodbye.